everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and today I'll be trying out two different styling / detangling tools to see which one actually detangles and styles my hair better. So on one side of my head, I'm going to use the Tangle Teezer. And this one is more for detangling the hair, but we'll see how it styles as well. And then on the other side, I'm going to use the Denman brush, which is more for styling, but we'll see how it detangles and styles my hair also. So I'll use that on this side of my hair. I've already parted my hair down the middle, so I'm going to apply some product to it, and then we'll see which one works better. So I normally would actually use these tools to detangle my hair when I have conditioner in my hair, but for the video today, I'm going to apply a curl cream just so that we can get started with styling as well and make this a little bit faster. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of this curl cream on both sides of my hair. And I'm going to do both sides first, just so that my hair doesn't get too dry while I wait to do the other side. And I really want to make sure I'm getting from the roots to the ends. And when you're detangling your hair, it is really important to make sure that you do have some kind of product in your hair, just to give the hair some slip, so that you aren't breaking your hair off, and it's easier for the tool to actually do what it needs to. Or if you like to use your fingers like I normally do, you can do that as well. But I'm hoping that these tools actually help to cut down time, and for those who have a harder time with detangling your hair, hopefully these will also help to make it less painful as well, because I know, especially for kids, when I was little, depending on what you use, you definitely get some tears. So we'll see how these work. So I will admit that the conditioner that I used while I was washing my hair does a really good job at starting the detangling process. So we may not have too many tangles today, but we'll still see which one works better. Great, so I'm going to start with a Tangle Teezer on the left side of my head. And you know what? Bad habits. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. And it really does just glide right through my head or my hair. It's very quick. It's not pulling my hair at all, and it actually feels really, really good. So another benefit of using these tools while you have product in your hair, whether that be conditioner or your curl cream or both, it helps to distribute the product as well. So normally when I have conditioner in my hair, I let it sit for a minute, and then I'll go through with one of the Tangle Teezers that I have, and it helps to really, really distribute the conditioner throughout my hair, and then I let it sit for longer, because then I know that every strand is covered with conditioner and it's doing what it needs to do. All right, so that was very fast. That side is done, and it just glides right through my hair with very little hair coming out as well, which is super important also. And then I'm gonna just clip that up really quickly. And let's see what the Denman brush is going to do for us today. So again, I'll start at the front and work from the bottom up. This is definitely getting through the tangles, but it is pulling more. It's pulling my hair a little bit. And I don't know if you can tell, because like, there you go. Like you can see it's like kind of getting caught a little bit. Again, this is not meant for detangling, so completely understand why it's doing that, but Just wanted to test it there. Yeah, it's definitely pulling a lot more. But look at the definition that I'm getting. That's a plus. It's working through it just as fast though. I just don't like the pulling. Okay, so I've gotten through that side as well. I'm definitely going to say that the Tangle Teezer wins that one. This one got through the curls or the tangles. I felt it and I don't want to feel it. So definitely have to say Tangle Teezer won that round. And now we're gonna go ahead and style the hair and see how that does. So before I actually take the tools out, I am going to apply a gel to my hair. So I'm just going to take a couple pumps per section of my hair here and apply this to my hair. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the Denman brush. It does still have some of the curl cream in it, which is totally fine, but I'm going to take a small section of hair, and you want to take it from, that may be too small. Yeah. So I want to take it from here, and I'm going to pull it out and kind of twist the hair around it while I'm pulling it down. That looks really good. Oh my God, the Tangle Teezer. Let's see what that does once it's time. I'm just gonna go through and do the rest of my hair so that we can have my entire hair done and see what it looks like once it is completely done. So again, let's see, did I get all of that in there? Just put it in here, kind of twist it, and keep pulling through while you're twisting it. So you get some major ringlets here when you're doing this. All right, I'm just gonna do this one more time and then I'll do the rest of this side off camera and then we will do the other side. Because I do need a mirror while I'm doing the back. It seems promising, so we'll see how that turns out, and I'm going to do the rest of my hair and then do the other side. Okay, so I just finished this side of my hair and I think it looks amazing. I got some really good ringlets here and I'm really excited to see how it turns out, especially the top because it's a little bit more separated at the top than it is at the bottom. So I'm interested to see how that flows and what it looks like once it is actually dry. So again, this was the side that I did style the hair with the Denman brush. And I do want to say, although it looks amazing, while I was using the Denman brush in that specific technique, it did pull the hair a little bit. So that's something you want to watch out for or definitely be aware of when you are styling your hair. But definitely think it turned out really, really well. And it looks good right now while it's still wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and now style the other side with the Tangle Teezer. And I just have a feeling that I'm going to feel less pulling on this side, but we will see. You'll never know until you try. I'm going to go in with the gel here in sections. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Tangle Teezer. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take a small section of hair here and try to use the same technique where, and it was easier on this side. Let's see. So I'm going to put it at the roots. And as I am pulling through, I'm going to twist. This glides through so much easier. The curls do look a little different, I think, already noticing a difference, but the way that just glided through my hair, so much better. And I think it's so important to note that, just because if something is pulling your hair, then it definitely can be pulling it out also. So you always want to put the health of your hair first. And I think that is so important. This is just so much easier and it's going so much faster also. But we'll see how that definition and the curls turn out and see if it eliminates frizz also. So I'll do one more here and then I'll do the rest off camera. All right, so just quickly to show you the difference here. Both look really good, but definitely more spiral here, and these are more elongated. But we'll see. I'm going to give this time to dry a little bit as this one has, and then I'll pop on to show you all the difference after I'm done with this entire side. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am done with the Tangle Teezer side and it is looking amazing. It was so easy to style my hair on this side because there was no pulling. I didn't feel like my hair was coming out along the way. So as of right now, I am definitely, again, liking the Tangle Teezer side better. But I want to also show you what the curls look like. So this is the Denman brush side. This is the Tangle Teezer side, and the Tangle Teezer definitely does give you more of an elongated curl still. This side is drying a little bit, but I am noticing a little frizz on this side, so we'll see if that continues, just more at the top because it is pulling it so that there's less curl at the top here. But we'll see if that continues and if we get the same results on this side because this side is a little bit more wet, but just wanted to show you all the difference there. But again, even with the look of the curls, I am liking the Tangle Teezer side. I just don't like how tightly curled this side is. It just gives me that Shirley Temple look, I think. But we'll see what it looks like once it's dry. Okay, so I am back. My hair is completely dry now. It took about 2 hours. I just watched a couple of episodes of Dynasty and had some lunch. And now my hair is completely dry, and you can definitely see that there's a difference from one side to the other. So on the Denman brush side, there's more volume. The curls still are a lot tighter. And there's also a lot of frizz at the top, which I don't like. I also don't like that it's so tight either. I wish it was a little bit looser, which I actually got on the Tangle Teezer side. So if you look on this side, the curls are a little bit more elongated. They aren't as tight or spiraled, but you do still have spiral there. So it looks really, really good. And there's less frizz as well. So if you can't already tell, I am liking the Tangle Teezer side a lot better. So I did get a good cast on both sides here. So I am going to scrunch that out with some oil. So I'm just going to put some oil on my hands, rub it together, and scrunch the cast. And this will help to give it some more volume and to make it look softer and feel softer as well. And then also, it clumped together a lot on both sides, more on the Denman brush side than the Tangle Teezer side, but it definitely did clump a lot. So I am going to separate a little bit too, and I think that is going to help with the volume and make it look a little bit better as well. So to do so, I'm just going to put some oil on my hands, and you really should start at the bottom. If you pull the curl, it kind of separates a little bit, and then you can separate the curl even more without creating too much frizz there. And you can do it multiple times to one section because, again, it did definitely clump a lot. So you can separate as much as you want to, but it will definitely make it look more full and give you more volume. So I'm just going to do the first couple sections here so you get the idea of what I'm doing, and then I'll do the rest off camera so you all can see the results. So as you can see, a little separation went a very long way, and I got a lot more volume on both sides. The curls look more natural and more flowy as well, and I'm just loving the results that I got. It even helped to blend the top and the rest of my hair together, so it doesn't look like it's just frizzy and straight at the top. It actually flows a little bit more. So I definitely do think separating the hair did wonders for my results. But I do still like the Tangle Teezer side, so I'm going to give you a close-up here so you can see both sides, which they both look amazing. But this side, the Tangle Teezer side, is still more elongated, and with more volume after separating, I definitely do like it even more. And it took so much less time to do it, and my hair didn't feel like it was being pulled along the way. So again, that is most important to me. So I definitely do like the Tangle Teezer brush, and this is the winner in my book. So I would love to hear what side you like better, and if you've tried these brushes and how you like them as well. Let me know in the comments. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this comparison video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.